So let's start on it now. So guys, the instrument panel fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. What you need to do, open the hood. Once you guys open the hood on the driver's side, that's your car battery here. In front of it you have a fuse box under this cover here. What you need to do, you have two taps, push them, it will open. And on the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here for the instrument panel we need to check not one, not two, but 3 fuses. Make sure to stand till the end, we'll give you good advice so you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. Now, the fuses that we need to check, the first one is fuse number 49, right here. The second fuse that you need to check is known as fuse number 84. It's in that row of fuses here, starting this way from the little fuses. That's 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. So, yep, be like that. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. It will be actually that fuse right here, guys. Okay, that's the one that you will need to check. Now, you need to check fuse number 88 as well. And 88, okay, you may or may not have this one. Okay, it's right here that you will need to check. That's fuse number 88. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Also, on some models, okay, you may need to check right here this fuse as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful, but now, guys, you see you have all kind of different fuses, relays. Buy some spares, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind, because one time we needed replacement, we couldn't get it, we were stuck in a small town for a few days until we got a shipment. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.